Milwaukee tools are renowned for their quality among professionals across various trades. In this video, we've compiled 20 innovative Milwaukee tools you may not have encountered before. Without further ado, let's dive into these remarkable products designed to elevate your work experience.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTech TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Starting with, we have the Milwaukee M12 360° 3-plane laser. This tool offers comprehensive functionality with one horizontal line and two vertical lines facilitating swift alignment, leveling, squaring, and transfer, streamlining the layout of large spaces with a single tool. Featuring high-intensity green diodes, it ensures exceptional visibility up to 4 times better compared to red lasers. Plus, this tool provides a working range of 38 m and up to 100 m with a detector with an impressive all-day runtime of 15+ hours using an M12B4 battery pack. It ensures uninterrupted operation. The kit includes a high-vis target plate, LL50 detector, LM360 360° laser mount, TRP 120 tripod, and track clip, all in a pack-out box for easy setup, making it essential for precise projects. Get ready to tackle any project with ease and precision with the Milwaukee miter saw. The powerful miter saw boasts an impressive power output that matches an AC 15 amp saw and lets you cut up to 500 pieces of 78mm pine baseboard on just one 12.0 amp battery charge. This cutting-edge tool features the high-output system for extended performance and runtime, large sliding fences for stability and accuracy, and a trenching stop with depth adjustment for precision cutting. With a steel detent plate that provides repeatable, accurate cuts, and integrated carry handle for easy transportation, and an LED light that illuminates the workpiece and cut line in low light conditions, this miter saw stands like a must-have tool for any job site, any woodworking pro. Eliminate all the struggles of lockbolt installation and discover the game-changing Milwaukee lockbolt tool. This over here is an absolute game-changer, making cordless lockbolt installation faster and easier than ever before, so you no longer have to deal with pesky compressors and hoses and say hello to a smoother, faster, and more efficient workflow. What's more, this tool doubles your work speed while maintaining the same level of precision and accuracy, making it perfect for any professional project. And with its unparalleled mobility, you can take on tight spaces with ease and tackle even the toughest jobs with confidence. So if you want to take your installation game to the next level, invest in the Milwaukee lockbolt tool today and experience the difference for yourself. Now let's check out the Milwaukee mounting fan, an exceptional tool that delivers powerful airflow on any job site. An airspeed of up to 14 miles per hour ensures rapid and efficient cooling, drying, or ventilation. Its innovative design features a 6 inches blade diameter and turbine-like head propelling air at an impressive rate. One of the key features of this fan is its versatility in mounting options. It can be easily installed in various locations around the job site thanks to its compact size and integrated mounting features. This allows for optimal placement and targeted airflow wherever it is needed. The M12 mounting fan offers 3 speed settings: high, medium, and low, granting users precise control over the airspeed. Additionally, using an M12 XC 6.0 battery can provide up to 15 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, ensuring extended usability throughout the day. The Milwaukee abrasive chop saw is a portable and powerful cutting solution that delivers unmatched cordless cutting speed. Its 4,000 RPM brushless motor ensures consistent power and cut speed for efficient performance. Its RedLink Plus intelligence feature provides protection against overload, overheating, and over-discharge, while the rapid stop blade brake stops the blade within 3 seconds of trigger release for enhanced safety. It also offers tool-free blade change and fence adjustment, simplifying the process and saving time. With the high-output 12-amp-hour battery pack, it can provide up to 200 cuts per charge and 20-gauge steel studs. Overall, this portable chop saw is a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Milwaukee Sheet Sander. This tool is made for elevating the performance of professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. Engineered to deliver unparalleled power with a staggering 13,000 max OPM, this 5-inch orbital sander will revolutionize your productivity on the job site. It will eliminate the hassle of cords by offering class-leading dust collection, ensuring a cleaner work environment. This tool also provides optimal comfort and control with its low vibration and ergonomic design, effectively reducing fatigue. Achieve precision removal on a wide variety of materials with the variable speed dial. Let's not forget to mention the dust collection system that is accompanied by a durable dust bag to reduce cleanup time. So now upgrade your sanding experience with the Milwaukee Sheet Sander and unlock new levels of performance and convenience on the job. Who says that cordless tools will not suffice when it comes to large tasks or commercial uses? You'll change your mind after watching this Milwaukee Impact Wrench in action. This tool delivers up to 2,000 FTLB of nut-busting torque, which is substantial for nearly all professional jobs. Unlike bulky corded models, this impact wrench never cuts extra setup time when under heavy work pressure. It simply eliminates all the compressor and hoses to improve your productivity with a pretty noiseless environment. Well, you must be wondering about the runtime, not an issue. This high-torque wrench allows you to drive around 200 bolts on a single charge. Make sure to keep some extra batteries when you're up to work for a whole day long. This isn't any tool, it's the Milwaukee M18 Forge 6.0 amp-hour battery. It packs a punch with high output power, delivering equivalent power to an M18 120 amp battery, but in a package that's 30% smaller and 40% lighter. Its lightning-fast charging capability, reaching 80% in just 15 minutes with the dual-base supercharger, minimizes downtime, ensuring more time on the job. With Milwaukee RedLink Intelligence, it offers the longest life and most recharges, while its durability and weatherproof design make it suitable for any job site condition. Plus, enhanced readability in any light conditions with its fuel gauge allows for easy monitoring of battery levels. This battery is engineered to optimize performance, efficiency, and reliability, making it an indispensable companion for professionals needing dependable power on demanding projects. Milwaukee Top Handle Chainsaw. This is such a tool that redefines performance and convenience in chainsaw technology. Cutting faster than a 35 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw, it's powered by M18 fuel technology, reaching full throttle in under 1 second for ultimate control and speed. With a power state brushless motor, it maintains speed under heavy loads, outperforming small gas engines and higher voltage systems. Beyond performance, it eliminates the hassles of gas engines, no pull starts, high noise levels, emissions, or regular maintenance. Enhanced by RedLink Plus intelligence, it ensures unmatched levels of performance and protection. Optimized for red lithium high-output batteries, it delivers up to 150 cuts per charge. Packed with professional features like an easy-access chain tensioner, automatic oiler, metal bucking spikes, onboard scrunch storage, and many more things, it's tailored for arborists, power utility linemen, and landscape maintenance professionals. Milwaukee cut-level gloves are crafted for ultimate durability and day-long comfort, perfect for material handling and light construction tasks. Featuring a reinforced palm with a knit texture, they offer enhanced grip and longevity. Designed for dexterity, they allow precision handling of small objects. Equipped with smart swipe technology on the palm and fingertips, these gloves enable seamless use of touchscreen devices without removal. Their fluorescent material enhances visibility in low-light environments, ensuring safety. Lightweight and thin with a polyurethane-dipped palm, they offer increased dexterity without compromising protection. The reinforced knit or coating with added protection between the thumb and fingers ensures durability and safety, making these gloves indispensable for professionals seeking both performance and convenience on the job. Moving forward, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Battery Blower, a powerful tool that will meet the rigorous demands of landscape maintenance professionals. With the highest constant power output surpassing all handheld gas blowers and maintaining it throughout the battery charge, it ensures uninterrupted operation. Powered by a power-state brushless motor delivering 600 CFM and 145 miles per hour, it effortlessly tackles demanding tasks such as clearing wet leaves. Its advanced electronic package enables rapid acceleration to full throttle in under 1 second, enhancing control and productivity. Featuring an ambidextrous variable speed sliding lock-on lever for easy power adjustment and optimized balance, it provides superior clearing control. This battery-powered blower comes with both tapered and flat nozzle attachments that maintain customized airflow and requires two M18 red lithium batteries for operation. Take your gardening to new heights with the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hedge Trimmer, custom designed to take care of all your garden trimming needs. This hand tool will empower you to transform your outdoor haven into a botanical wonderland. Its compact design will enchant you, offering a featherlight experience and effortless single-handed control, effortlessly conquering even the tightest access areas. With its blade tip guard, the delicate beauty of your plants and the blades themselves remain unscathed, preserving the harmony of your outdoor sanctuary. And the enchantment continues as the M12 hedge trimmer seamlessly integrates with over 125 solutions with the M12 system, revealing endless possibilities to nurture and cultivate your garden paradise. Embrace the symphony of precision and botanical prowess as the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Hedge Trimmer becomes the magical wand that brings your garden dreams to life. Here comes the Milwaukee Handheld Sprayer, a versatile solution designed to meet the demands of professional landscape maintenance and pest control tasks. Delivering up to 30,300 L per charge with no manual pumping required, it offers instant constant pressure and 3 adjustable settings for optimized performance, reducing user fatigue. With a spray distance of up to 5.2 m and pressure control ranging from 20 to 80 psi, this sprayer ensures precise application across a variety of tasks. Powered by an M12 red lithium CP20 battery, it provides up to 80 gallons of spraying per charge. Compatible with both 1 and 2 gallon tanks, the sprayer features onboard storage for added convenience, including a measuring cup, strainer, and wand storage, enhancing productivity and ease of use for professionals tackling diverse applications. Milwaukee M18 SDS drill sets a new standard in dust collection efficiency with its automatic operation triggered by the tool's on-off switch, ensuring a clean workspace. Featuring Autopulse, the industry's first onboard automatic filter cleaning mechanism, it enhances airflow efficiency and extends filter life. Equipped with a highly efficient HEPA filter capturing 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns, it maintains a clean environment. The translucent dust box allows easy monitoring of dust levels, while the vacuum port facilitates attachment to large dust extractors for optimal suction. With exchangeable nozzles for different drilling diameters and an adjustable dust extraction tube up to 210 mm depth, it ensures precise drilling. Additionally, adjustable depth gauge with precise adjustment buttons, removable and switchable depth gauge, and bright LED workspace illumination further enhance user convenience and accuracy on the job. If you're looking for a perfect lawn care solution, then you better get yourself this Milwaukee M18 53cm lawnmower. It redefines lawn care with its steel deck and blade design. Powered by M18 fuel technology, this tool ensures best-in-class quality of cut, offering instant start even in tall grass. It boasts outstanding peak power and startup torque for demanding applications. Its 3-in-1 grass management system allows for mulching, bagging, or rear side discharge, while automatic blade speed adjustment enhances efficiency. The adjustable self-propelled mechanism with 5 speed settings delivers up to 6.4 km/h cutting speed, complemented by active speed management for ultimate user control. Running on two 18V batteries, it provides outstanding power and performance covering areas up to 2000 m² on a single charge. With front and side headlights for increased visibility, 7-position cutting height adjustment, folding handles, and upright storage, it offers convenience and precision in lawn maintenance, making it an essential tool for landscapers and homeowners alike. Milwaukee M12 toughshell heated jackets. This tool offers durability and performance that outlasts the competition. Constructed with toughshell stretch polyester, these jackets provide 80% more stretch and 5 times longer life, ensuring better mobility and comfort while remaining lightweight. The M12 heated camouflage jacket featuring quiet shell stretch polyester offers silent movement and wind/water resistance, ideal for outdoor use. With superior runtime of up to 8 hours on low with a single M12 red lithium 3.0 amp battery and optimized heat transfer through a new inner lining, these jackets keep users warm in any environment. Enhanced with a unique battery pass-through for customizable battery placement and compatibility with the extensive M12 cordless system, these jackets embody Milwaukee's commitment to durability and innovation in heated gear. Now here comes the Milwaukee M18 high-torque dandle impact wrench. Having the M18 fuel technology, this tool delivers up to 2,711 Nm of torque for unfastening bolts up to M42 size with a 4-mode drive control and integrated blow counting sensor. It ensures versatile speed adjustments and consistent torque settings. This tool is powered by a power-state brushless motor and provides around 2,000 ft-lb of nut-busting torque and 1,900 ft-lb of fastening torque. With a runtime to install up to 21 M24 on a single high-output HD 12 0-amp-hour battery, this impact wrench offers unparalleled efficiency and portability, eliminating the need for compressors, generators, cords, and hoses. Protected by RedLink Plus intelligence, it ensures maximum performance and durability, while the 4-mode drive control allows precise adjustments for various applications. You might find yourself in low light conditions, so keeping a compact lighting solution handy is not a bad idea. Meet the Milwaukee USB stick light that's designed to revolutionize the way pros complete general tasks and inspection work. It features a strong magnet that delivers unmatched utility for working in tight spaces, especially in dim environments. The best part worth mentioning is that this stick light has a 220 degrees vertically rotatable light head, which lets you easily access confined spaces. Meanwhile, you can select between 4 modes to get better light positioning and beam control regarding your project demands. Oh, you don't have to worry about durability. This stick light has a tough construction that withstands nearly every rough situation. Electricians frequently encounter such projects where they need to pull wires through narrow conduits, so make those tasks more effortless with this Milwaukee angler pulling fish tape. It makes wire pulling tasks easier and quicker with the auto-run power feed and retract mechanism. This fish tape equips a power-state brushless motor, which allows you to pull wire through 200 feet with even 360 degrees of bends. This tool automatically reels the tape back into the drum for less user fatigue and offers you a cleaner job site. So now you no longer have to choose the time-consuming way of manual pulling. Oh, flat tire on the highway? Don't sweat it. The Milwaukee M18 inflator might look unassuming, but trust us, it's a game changer. This little dynamo is one of the fastest tire inflators out there with lightning-fast speed and unbeatable accuracy thanks to its true fill technology. No more guessing or fussing with pressure gauges. This inflator waits, checks, and fills until it hits your targeted pressure. And let's talk about build quality. Milwaukee didn't skimp on that either. This thing is built to last, meaning fewer headaches for you when you're hustling from job to job. And if you're a road warrior, this is a must-have for you. So that was the list of the 20 Milwaukee tools you probably never seen before.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.